The Antalya Elevator is one of the city's modern amenities, connecting Cumhuriyet Street to the historic Kaleiçi Marina. This elevator, which is free to use, covers the approximately 30-meter height difference between the upper part of the city and the marina quickly and conveniently. Its modern design, featuring a glass cabin, offers visitors a stunning view of the Mediterranean Sea, the historic harbor, and the old city walls. The elevator is not only a practical access route for tourists and locals, but also a unique experience that blends modern architecture with the historical atmosphere of Kaleiçi. At the top of the elevator, there is an area with a spectacular view and green spaces, making it a perfect spot for relaxing and photography. At the bottom, Kaleiçi Marina, with its recreational boats and picturesque surroundings, provides an excellent opportunity to explore and enjoy the beauty of Antalya. The circular balcony around the Antalya Elevator, located at the top, is one of the most attractive features of this landmark. With its unique design, the balcony offers a panoramic view of the Kaleiçi area, the historic harbor, and the Mediterranean Sea. From this vantage point, visitors can enjoy a breathtaking view of the natural beauty and ancient architecture of the city, providing a truly unique experience of Antalya. The balcony also offers a peaceful and pleasant space for relaxation and enjoying the scenery. Surrounding the balcony, there are benches and green spaces, making it an ideal spot for photography and spending time in a serene environment. The open design of the balcony allows people to enjoy views from every angle, creating unforgettable moments.
O güneş vursun ya, faydası var, zararı yok.
Gözler renkliye bakamıyor.
Bir şey olmaz, yakışıklıdır herif.
Dokunma. Şeye dokunma.
Hı hı.
After exiting the Antalya Elevator, you enter an area with a stunning view of the historic Kaleiçi Harbor and the Mediterranean Sea. Surrounding this area are old buildings with Ottoman architecture, as well as various restaurants and cafes, creating a pleasant atmosphere for strolling and relaxation. You can easily explore the cobblestone streets and narrow alleys of Kaleiçi, visiting historical attractions such as Hadrian's Gate, Tekeli Mehmet Pasha Mosque, and the old harbour. Additionally, near the elevator there are local markets and souvenir shops where you can shop and take home mementos from this beautiful area. This space, with its historical charm, offers a great opportunity for photography and experiencing the rich culture and history of Antalya. After exploring Kaleiçi and visiting the historical attractions, you can head to the Kaleiçi Marina and enjoy a stunning view of the sea and recreational boats. This area is especially ideal for those interested in discovering the history and culture of Antalya. Many tourists also use this area as a starting point for boat tours to various coastal spots around Antalya. Here, you can also enjoy water activities like boating and diving, or visit one of the seaside restaurants to savor fresh local seafood. The peaceful atmosphere and natural views of this area provide a unique experience of Antalya.
Bizim elinden aleykümselam. Bir yayla kaçtır ama. Sana da aynısı. Hayır, aynısı değil. Biri daha uzun olması var. Sıcak yok. Bilimsel sistem filmi.
Buradan bir